They say that time is moving forwards and backwards. I have a really difficult time wrapping my mind around that because I don't know, it's just so abstract. But logically speaking, I guess it does make sense that if you're thinking about something in the past, time is moving backward. I don't know. I don't know. Um, but I think the best way that I found to be really present is just to notice all the little things in my environment. Like I have a real obsession with raindrops. They're so beautiful. Raindrops and flowers and leaves. And the beautiful sky and all of these natural elements. I feel it's like the easiest way to be present is just to look around outside. But creating music also, I think, is another great way to be present in the moment. But I haven't really thought about it honestly. I try not to like overthink music because it's just kind of happens. Sometimes I think when things are overthought, it like ruins it. But yeah, I really like those beautiful present moments of noticing things. And I think it's so obvious to me right now because we're in the middle of spring and everything is springing. It's so beautiful. Like we have the magnolias are in bloom and the cherry blossoms. All of the cherry blossoms are in bloom. Pretty much it's the bright pink ones. Right now. And so yeah, it's hard not to notice the beauty of presence.